Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salawat bar Muhammad wa ale Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hoping you all are fine. Today I'm going to share with you an organic iftar drink. A refreshing homemade peach juice. Yes, of course, without any preservative, without artificial coloring, and without soda lime. I really don't know why people like to iftar their fast with artificial soft drinks like lal sharbat, dried orange powder, etc. etc. When you have the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in shape of colorful and hygienic fruits, why are you using drinks with chemicals? Well, I have been a lover of fresh juices since my childhood, and today I'm going to show you how I make my fresh organic peach juice for iftar in just 2 minutes. So have a look on ingredients. Ice, peach, sugar, वाटर एंड सॉल्ट, यही सिंपल से इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं। और अब इन सब को ब्लेंडर में 1 बाय 1 ऐड करेंगे। Yes, of course, that's what we can say, an organic, colorful and refreshing drink for iftar. You know what, due to fasting हमारा blood pressure level low हो जाता है और peach juice will definitely help you to maintain your blood pressure level. So do try this guys and you will feel the difference between an artificial refreshment and an organic refreshment. और please subscribe my channel, thumbs up दीजिए and share my videos. Thank you.